Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to do a pronunciation request for count them, three words. And they all end in T-A-I-N. They all have the stop T, and they all can be pronounced two different ways. What? Yeah, let me show you. C-U-R-T-A-I-N. Looks like we should pronounce it curtain because the A and the I make the long A sound because it's a vowel pair, but not here. Because of the schwa, the emphasis is on the first syllable. So it's curtain, curtain. I have to close the curtain. The sun is coming in the window. Curtain, curtain. Okay, but we have a stop T, and we'll get to that on the next round. Take the next one, F-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, and it too has the schwa. So it's fountain, fountain, La Fuente, and lots of water coming out the fountain. Oh, I love a nice fountain. Me too. Okay, then drop the F, put an M, and we get mountain, mountain. But wait, there's more. This, we're going to do it the first way without the stop T. Curtain, fountain, mountain. But when most people pronounce it with the stop T. The stop T, like, hey, T, don't come over here. No, it's where we kind of swallow the T and we just say curtain, curtain, fountain, fountain, or mountain, mountain. Got it? Let's review. First the regular way, then the stop T. Curtain or curtain, fountain or fountain, mountain or mountain. Why does English make everything oh so confusing with the schwa and the stop T and the vowel pairs? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce this sentence, I hope. First we'll do it regular, then we'll do it with the stop T. Are you ready? The fountain on the mountain had a curtain in the back. Or the fountain on the mountain had a curtain in the back. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with one of these words? Or do you have a pronunciation request? You do? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.